Hi, this is Shane. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to migrate a running VM from one KVM server to another with Cockpit. I have this running VM here, test 1. The VM is running on this KVM server. I want to migrate the VM to this KVM server, also running Cockpit. Before you can start the migration, you have to have your SSH key set up on both servers and your DNS forward and reverse lookup setup. Otherwise, you're going to run into problems. To start the migration, you can just click the dot on the VM in the listing right there and click migrate. Or you can click the dot within the VM like that. It does the same thing. The correct URL format here is QEMU plus SSH // the IP address of the destination server and then /system. In this case, we do not have a shared storage, so we need to copy the storage. Just click right there and click migrate to start. It's not going to take very long. And the guest VM is still running the whole time. You don't have to shut it down. You don't need to do anything. It just does its thing. We just wait. The destination server already received the configuration. We can go into test 1 now and see what's going on. It's still in shutdown state and it's still being migrated. When it's done, this will disappear and the VM will be removed from the source server. And the whole time, the VM is still running. Check that out. It's all right migrated. Thank you for watching.